next topic is Biot-Savart's law. So what is the Biot-Savart's law? This is the law to find the magnetic field at a point due to small current element. So we are considering here a small element of this current carrying conductor XY. This is the small element AB of length dl, and this is the point where we have to find the magnetic field, and this point lies at a distance r at an angle theta with this current element. This is not a straight line. Okay, so suppose this is the point making an angle theta. So according to Biot-Savart's, magnetic field is directly proportional to current element, that is I dl, and sine component, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So if I combine all these vectors, then formula becomes on removing proportionality sign, k comes here, and this value of k is mu naught by 4 pi, that is 10 raised to power minus 7 Weber per ampere per meter. And what is mu naught? Mu naught is the magnetic permeability of free space. Now, as you can see here, sine theta is coming, so it is the cross product, means dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I, because current is a scalar. So we can't take it in cross product, so I am multiplying and dividing it by R. Now, as you can see, current is a scalar, because as current have direction but it do not follow the vector laws, it follows only the algebraic laws. So it is a scalar quantity. Now, as you can see, this R is a vector and dl is a vector. So now I can take the cross product of this R and dl. So mu naught by 4 pi I dl cross R. And now in denominator it has become now R cube. So as you can see, this is the cross product. So it have magnitude as well as direction, and direction of the magnetic field is given by right hand thumb rule. How? That curl the finger of your right hand from dl to R. From dl to R. That how? This is the direction of the dl, and this is R. So take the finger of your right hand in the direction of dl and curl it in the direction of R. Then thumb will give you the direction of the magnetic field. So here we are curling. I am now curling my finger from dl to R. From dl to, dl is in here, R is here, so I am curling my finger from DL to R. So my thumb is showing the direction of magnetic field, and this thumb is going into the plane of board, into the plane. Okay, so and magnetic field is here into the plane, and into the plane of paper is shown by cross. But if this point P lies here, then if this point lies here, then I am curling like this from DL to R. Now R is here, so my thumb is going outward. As thumb is going outward means field is out of plane of paper, and out of plane of paper is shown by dot. Okay, so by using our right hand thumb rule, we may show the direction of the magnetic field. If it is into the plane of paper, shown by dot, so shown by cross, and if it is out of plane of paper, it is shown by dot. So formula of magnetic field, if we have to find the magnetic field due to the current element, then we will follow always the Biot-Savart's law, that is the mu naught by 4 pi I dl cross R by R cube, and for CGS system value of K is 1. So this is our Biot-Savart's law.